This is part 2 of World War II. I was almost 100% sure I was dead. I thought I was about to puff on my last candy cigar. Or cigarette. Whatever the heck that is, I can't even see. I realized I better check. I might have a chance. Nah, they're still out there. How am I ever gonna make it? I have an idea. I'll load my gun and run out there. Maybe. Just maybe. Nope, retreat. That was a bad idea. Maybe if I have a baseball bat? No, let's try and pick one off. I think I got one. That won't work though. Started willing past the time.
Oh, where am I?
Got knocked out and dragged into the house. German house. They tried to kill me. I got out of there.
Yeah.